IPOB group announces new date for another sit-at-home. The Nnamdi Kanu-led Indigenous People of Biafra, IPOB, has fixed September 14 for another sit-at-home. Nigerian News reports that the new sit-at-home is to remember those allegedly killed in Afaraukwu in Abia State in 2018 by Nigerian soldiers. The pro-Biafra group accused soldiers of desecrating the traditional stool of Afriaku in 2018. According to a press release to newsmen on Tuesday, the new sit-at-home order was given by the head of IPOB's, the director of the spokesman, Chika Edozien. He said the September 14 sit-at-home has been tagged Day of Civil Disobedience. I hope Edozien also reiterates IPOB commitment towards ensuring the actualization of Biafra. The letter reads, September 14 sit-at-home order, civil action. The indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB worldwide, led by Oyenduma Kanu, through the Director of State, commend once again the Biafran people for your tenacity and for the sacrifices you have all made and continue to make in our struggle for freedom. It is imperative for us to bear in mind that the sacrifice which we make today will guarantee that our children and generations yet unborn shall have a better, respectable, and fulfilling tomorrow in a sovereign and independent Biafran nation. We recall very vividly the carnage of September 12, 2018 by the Nigerian Army, both through its Operation Python Dance, 2, without any provocation and without any reason whatsoever, invaded and occupied Biafra land, humiliating, maiming, and massacring our people. It is still fresh in our minds when on the 14th of September, these murderers and terrorists in army uniform went further to desecrate the traditional stool of the Afaraukwu kingdom in Umuahia, shooting and killing everything in sight, resulting in the cold-blooded murder of more than 30 Biafran youths and arrest of unspecified number of Biafran's men and women. Recall also that the indigenous people of Biafra worldwide has since 2018 set aside September 14 of every year as a day of civil disobedience in the world of Biafra land. In accordance with this well-established custom, September 14, 2021 is declared a sit-at-home in Biafra land. We shall on this date ambiguously tell the Nigerian establishment and their saboteurs, agents in our midst, that Biafra land belongs to the indigenous people of Biafra. On this date and day, all institutions of learning, primary, secondary, and higher institutions, offices, banks, markets, all places of business, and places of worship shall be closed, and all public transportation and vehicular movement shall not operate except emergency vehicles such as ambulances and fire service vehicles. Great Biafrans must remain vigilant as not to allow the enemy to dictate our agenda, and we must be at alert as not to permit any form of distraction from our immediate short-term objective, which is to explore all avenues and deploy every arsenal at our disposal to guarantee the safety of our leader, Oyenduma Nnamdi Kanu, and secure his unconditional release from illegal incarceration by the Nigerian government. On September 14, we observe a total lockdown of Biafra land to acknowledge the sacrifices and keep the memory of all Biafrans who were betrayed by saboteurs alive. The Directorate of State of the Indigenous People of Biafra reaffirmed our unwavering commitment to our struggle for the emancipation of the Biafran people from the oppressive, dehumanizing, and degrading conditions imposed upon us by reason of our forceful inclusion in the evil construct called the Zoological Republic of Nigeria. Signed, Mazi Chika Edozien. This is the letter in circulation by IPOB. This is the letter that is telling people to sit at home come September 14. I am not against you, having to sympathize or remember the people that died in that struggle. But what I, in particular, did not see as being right is locking up everywhere, declaring that people should not go out. This may not help this struggle. I think you can still come out to remember those that have died. You can still come out to let people know that your people were killed in 2018. But locking down everywhere, remember, people sustain their life through their daily means, especially in that axis of the country. They need to go out and run their business. What are the plans to make sure that this thing is done peacefully? If this will not go peacefully, why not drop the close down, the total lockdown? This is the letter that I just read about the plans of IPOB come September 14. What is your take on this? Kindly make your comment now. Is it right for them to do the total lockdown? Please, thank you.